Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this awesome 2017 Audi Q7. This is the 2.0T with Quattro all-wheel drive, Premium Plus package, a beautiful mid-size luxury crossover with third row seating. We recently took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade, and this Q7 is no exception. It's a really nice vehicle. It's a clean Carfax vehicle. We have a complimentary Carfax report. If you're in the market for a luxury crossover with third row seating, the Q7 is an excellent choice. We have a copy of the original window sticker right here. This one is very nicely equipped with features. Beautiful color combination in glacier white metallic on black. Alright, so the glacier white metallic was a $575 premium color. The Premium Plus package was $4,000, bundling in lots of great equipment like an Audi Advanced Key, MMI Navigation Plus. Then you have Audi Connect Prime. That's a subscription-based service, so you'd have to subscribe to it if you want to utilize that. Then it looks like we have Audi Connect Care. That's also a subscription-based service. We have Audi smartphone interface, Audi side assist with pre-sense rear. We have electric tilt telescoping steering wheel, heated auto-dimming power folding exterior mirrors, LED interior lighting package. This one also has a vision package. That was $2,000, giving you the Audi Virtual Cockpit. Pretty cool. So you can kind of configure the gauge cluster. Right now I have it on map mode. And the map's rather large. In fact, it's, I think, bigger than the map in the actual navigation screen. So that comes with the vision package. Then we have full LED headlights for amazing nighttime visibility. Top view camera system. We have these beautiful 20-inch 10-spoke wheels. That was $1,800 for those. If you like music, you'll love the Bose 3D surround sound system. It was an $1,100 option. Then we have the ventilation package. That was $950. Maybe it's supposed to be ventilation package. It looks like the V is missing. Well, it was $950. I have the ventilated front seats on right now. We're having almost record weather today. It's 82 degrees in September 16th. We could break a record for how warm it is. So I have those ventilated seats on, and it feels wonderful. And you also get four-way power lumbar. Then we have sunshades for the rear door, side windows, and tailgate. Then we have the high gloss black gray oak inlays, $350. And Audi beam rings, which projects the Audi logo down into the ground when you open the doors. Looks pretty cool at nighttime, $250. So the original MSRP was close to $61,000. Not cheap. If you adjust for inflation, we saw a lot of inflation over the 2020s. So in today's money, this is probably closer to like $70,000. Interior's in beautiful shape. Beautiful perforated leather seats. Big panoramic roof to allow lots of natural light inside. We have a power sunshade to dim things down if it gets too bright, but we'll leave that open. Such a beautiful day out. Record warm day. What a wonderful day to enjoy a beautiful sunroof like this. Look how beautiful it is outside. Alright, so we have an 8-speed automatic transmission. Shifter is fairly easy to use, electronic parking brake. We have kind of like a tracking pad on a laptop to operate the infotainment system. There's that top view camera, great for parallel parking. Nice leather up steering wheel paddle shifters. As we mentioned, we have that Audi Virtual Cockpit. You can kind of configure and pick and choose what you want to show up there. Pretty cool. Blind spot warning. Memory seats. Really handsomely styled vehicle. Kind of follows that same design theme we see throughout the Audi product line. Not a bad thing. They make really nice looking vehicles. It's that typical understated German styling. We have a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It makes, I think, let's take a look at the output. You might be thinking, a little 4-cylinder on a big vehicle like this thing's going to be underpowered. Well, you'd be surprised. It's actually pretty good as far as power goes. Let's take a look. 252 horsepower and 272 pound-feet of torque. Yeah, this thing has plenty of power for a vehicle like this. You can get this with a larger engine, but if you're not an all-at-speed demon, I think most people will find that this provides plenty of power. It's also really fuel efficient as well. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this on our car hauler. We can tow it to you. So with our mobile delivery service, this beautiful Q7 can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood or your driveway. This thing's in great shape. White is an easy color to take care of surface imperfections and scratches. Doesn't seem to show up quite as much on a white car versus a dark color like black. I have a black car myself, and I'm cringing. I need to get that thing washed. Every little scratch and swirl mark is just blatantly obvious. Not the case of a white vehicle. We have some buttons right here to power operate the third row seats. You can power fold them. Pretty nice. And the third row seats fall fairly flat as well. Uh-oh, pause for a phone call. Well, there we have it. One beautiful example of an Audi Q7 Premium Plus. One awesome luxury crossover with third row seating. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.